I'm going to show you how to make this simple and easy banana pudding. This banana pudding is super easy and it tastes delicious. All you have to do is mix the ingredients together, assemble, put it in the fridge, and then you're done. And it tastes amazing. Usually I make it in a big Tupperware, but today I'm actually going to make it in these little cups. So, because we're going to be fancy like that. So let's get started. Alright, so what you'll need for this recipe is just any kind of milk, some Nilla Wafers, I like the mini ones because they're cuter, a package of vanilla jello, a package of vanilla jello, can't say that right now, 2 to 3 bananas that are ripe, not sure why mine are like super brown and weird looking, but they taste fine, and some Cool Whip. For the Cool Whip, I like light because, you know, ain't nobody gotta waste some calories on unnecessary things. It tastes just as good as the original whip, and we're only using a little bit. Alright, let's get started. First off, we're gonna prepare the vanilla pudding. So you kind of just follow the instructions on the little box. But instead of using 2 cups, I like to use a ½ cup less because I want the consistency to be a little thicker. So that's what we're gonna do. It smells so good. Got my pudding in here. Instant pudding. And then now we're gonna use my milk. Oh, that was weird. So a cup and a half. There's one. And one more. Yay. Alright. So use a little whisk. If you don't have a whisk, just use a fork or chopsticks. It always gets on the side of the bowl, so this is why I'm like moving it around. Alright, we're done with that. You can see, it looks like a thick cream, almost pudding-like. So we're just gonna let that set for 5 minutes. Okay, now as we let that set, we're going to cut these ugly bananas. So just gonna peel them. Let's peel another one. So you see the flat part right there? Just pull it, and it pulls out this like weird looking thing. Can you see that? But basically, this is a seed. I like to cut mine in thin slices, probably like a 1/4 inch. You don't need to put the ends in, I would just eat them. So, eat it. I hate that texture that bananas give off on your fingers. It's like powdery, slimy nastiness. While we wait for this to thicken, let's use the mini wafers or the regular vanilla wafers, or not vanilla, Nilla Wafers. And then I'm going to put a layer on the bottom. So to assemble, basically it's the Nilla wafer, banana, then pudding. Then you repeat. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, super simple. Grab some Nilla Wafers. Alright, I'm just gonna stack it like so. And then when you do it around the glass, make sure that the round part is facing outwards, because that's just the prettier one, or the top portion. We just want it to be pretty. Everything tastes better when it's pretty. Right? Right! You are totally right. Like, what is this? Feel free to munch while you eat, while you make. Okay, we did it. Now the bananas. Put about 3 or however many, just to slightly cover the bottom, but you want enough room for the pudding to seep in, because the magic happens in the fridge. Basically, the pudding is just gonna make the Nilla Wafers soggy, and it's kind of gonna be like the consistency of a cake. It's literally delicious. I freaking hate that texture. So grab your pudding, oh, and grab a spoon. Forgot to grab a spoon. And we're gonna assemble. Yay, I got my spoon. Okay, we're gonna assemble. See? Now the consistency after just letting it sit is like this. Pudding. Instant pudding. Like magic. Also, for the pudding, if you're health conscious, then feel free to use sugar-free instant vanilla pudding. Tastes good. If you're used to like the artificial sweetener taste, it tastes great. But if you're not, you can get used to it. Because, I mean, there's bananas and Nilla Wafers in here, so the sweetness will be like kind of mixed in, so you'll get like artificial and real sugar. I know that's what people are doing nowadays, like companies when they're making food with little sugar, they mix stevia and normal sugar or actual sugar, so it has like that natural taste, because with stevia there's a lot of like aftertaste. Alright, one more layer. Now, because we're done with the pudding assembly, just gonna add some more bananas all around the top layer. About 5 slices. Alright, let's use the third bananas. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. It's gross. Banana. So we have half a banana left. We're gonna save it and try to do something cool with it. We'll see. So just top it off with some Cool Whip. Put it in a pastry bag because we want it to be very like tubular. Come on. I'm probably using like half of this tub at least. Usually I just use like just one little scoop on the whole bowl, but since we're making it pretty, I'm gonna use more. We're gonna snip this, just like that. We're gonna squeeze a little tube. Feel free to skip this step if you don't want extra calories, but it does taste pretty good with it. But the pudding is just as good. Okay, we can make it pretty with this spatula because right now it has too rough of edges. So we're just gonna smooth it out. You can just do this. Touch the top and kind of like drag it out. It looks like more artistic. This banana pudding is easily doubled and would be great for like potlucks, big tray or little cups, and everyone gets their individual cup, maybe smaller than this, and then everybody just gets to eat it and enjoy it because it's freaking delicious. Alright, so with this leftover banana, let's see what we can do with it. So I'm gonna like cut it diagonally into it. Alright, so cut it kind of into like a fourth. I'm just gonna place it on top because Why not? Your food tastes so much better when you think it's like pretty and cute. Like it can taste like bland, but it's still like it's so cute that everybody just wants to eat it. But this is not bland, so don't you worry about that. Alright, a little cream off. Let's see how beautiful these are. Oh! Show you a close-up. Can you see this? Alright, so now that we're done assembling, basically you just want to put it in the fridge for about like at least like 5 hours. But the longer you leave it, like at least over, well, I like to leave it at least overnight. Sorry, my fingers are really dirty. But I like to leave it at least overnight because then all the Nilla Wafers, sorry, I have such a hard time saying it, but all the Nilla Wafers will get like soggy and soak up the pudding, and it will just turn into like a cakey texture, so it tastes so good. So at least 5 hours, but I suggest overnight. And that's it. I'll give you some nice reels of this so that we can enjoy the beauty of this creation because it's aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Hope you try this recipe since it's so easy and you probably already have the ingredients, except, well, you might not have the ingredients, but if you're an avid baker, you probably have these ingredients, except for the Nilla Wafers. But the mini Nilla Wafers, see? Mini! They also have mini saltines, super cute. But everything tastes better when it looks better and when it's miniature size. I don't know why, but it's just cute, and cute things are delicious. So enough rambling. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, just leave it alone. Thank you. And then make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What else do people say? Yeah. I'm still like super new at this, so please, like, if you have any pointers that you'd like to give to me, I would accept them gladly. Hope these little treats brighten up your day as they do mine, and I'll probably be just like saran wrapping them and then throwing them in the fridge and enjoying them later today for dinner, like after dinner, or I'll enjoy them tomorrow. But yeah, these will last me quite a few days, and I am not mad about that. So yeah. Now I have to clean up this mess. Thanks so much for watching this video.